Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is Podi Dosa. The first step is to make the podi. Let's check out the ingredients. You need to roast all the ingredients first. Add 2 teaspoons of oil. So add about 15 to 16 red chillies. The red chillies are roasted. I'm going to keep them aside. Next, I'm going to roast the Chana Dal, 3 tablespoons. Urad Dal, 3 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon sesame seeds. 1 teaspoon Asafoetida powder. Just mix it in. Turn off the stove. Cool the ingredients. Add some salt. You can add a piece of Jaggery, a small piece. Grind it into a nice coarse powder. So there you have the podi recipe. We're making the Podi Dosa. So once the dosa 3/4 done, you can start adding the podi. This particular dosa is a bit spicy, so add according to your taste. If you like it very spicy, you can add more podi. I'm just drizzling a little oil. There you have the nice spicy Podi Dosa. Do enjoy it with your family. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Facebook.